Meaning of deliquescence.
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 Deliquescence. Deliquescence refers to the process of a solid substance absorbing moisture from the air until it dissolves and forms a liquid solution. This term is often used to describe certain hygroscopic substances like salts and acids, which are capable of absorbing water vapor from the surrounding environment until they become saturated and dissolve. The result of deliquescence is the formation of a liquid solution that contains the dissolved substance. This process can be important in industrial and laboratory settings because it can affect the handling, storage, and transport of certain chemicals.